Bitcoin. Are you happy? Are you impressed? Most of you will say, yes, it's the greatest thing I've ever bought. It's up thousands of percent, and look at me, I'm the greatest thing in the world. I wouldn't be impressed. As an investor, I most certainly wouldn't be impressed. As a gambler, I would, because I'm drunk on my own ideas. But I told everybody, and I repeat again, at 100,000, psychologically, a lot of people are looking to sell it. As we touched, and we didn't break through the resistance as we got near that 98,000. It just kept hitting it and hitting it and hitting it and not breaking through. Now, I'm not going to say it's not going to break through at some point. At some point, it'll go up again, I'm sure. However, I even told my wife, because she owns Bitcoin, I said, for God's sake, sell it. You're at virtually $100,000. It's going to get dumped at this level. Well, it did. Now, you might go, no, it didn't. 92,000, 90,000, that's nothing. It's 10%. If the stock market went down 10%, that would be a big deal. And if that happened, it would be one of the big crashes in history. And if it did, I would love it and I would buy the dip. I absolutely would buy the dip. That would be a major event. I would not be happy waking up and finding my Bitcoin down 10%. So anyway, just think about this. A lot of people are going to sell at 100,000. Yes, possibly it may push through. I don't know. But at the end of the day, it only goes up because people buy it. It doesn't go up because it earns any money. It goes up because people buy it, and it goes down because people sell it. I would not be buying this now. I'd be waiting for much bigger pullbacks, which I think will come. But if you do get that 98, that 99, consider taking some profit. Because to wake up with a 10% drop is just not acceptable in my portfolio. I have a very different way of looking at things. This is my portfolio. I never lose money. I haven't lost on a trade since I rebalanced my portfolio in January, and I'll never lose money again as I did at the beginning when I started investing. I will never lose money again. And I consistently beat the market because of my margin amplification. I consistently hit all-time highs. I don't have to worry about paying tax. Bitcoin, of course, it's all on your main account brokerage. You pay tax for all your profits. So 20% of it's always going to be taken off you anyway. So make sure that you put your profit to one side. But if you are holding it forever, there's nothing wrong with that. Eventually, it probably, maybe, if you're lucky, go up. But take some profit off the table at 98, 99 when so many people are waiting to sell it at 100,000. It just seems daft. And so many people are like, well, I'm just going to get a bit more. Why? I never beat the market when I try to trade. I never do. I never try to be better than anyone else, get the best price or sell at the top or buy at the bottom. I never do. I don't even try to. You saw me the other day. I bought Bitcoin. I bought Coca-Cola. It was undervalued in my opinion. It went further down. I didn't care. Waiting to buy more in January with my Roth. But I'm not bothered because it's not about trying to chase the wind. It's about trying to protect your money and do the right thing. And that's why I don't lose, because I'm focusing on not losing money as opposed to making money. And you make money by default. I mean, you just do. If you didn't do anything, you'd make money on the stock market. The hard part is to keep it. And most people make those mistakes by not taking profits or paying or selling it the wrong way, paying taxes, chasing it when it goes up and then selling it when it goes down, all this kind of stuff. So if you want to know about the sentiment of Bitcoin and how people are feeling about Bitcoin at any moment, 24 hours a day, we've got a radio show now which runs 24 hours a day on my extra channel, and it actually shares with you the crypto news and other things. Plus I'm reviewing stocks in the audio in the background. You can hear me reviewing stocks and other things, including some crypto assets as well. But also, you'll get the indicator live on the screen about what Bitcoin is doing, what the price is, more importantly, the sentiment, whether people are selling it. And there was a strong sell. But obviously, not all of you took it. Here it is. Here it is. You can see this is the extra channel running live right now. There's the current price. There is the indicator. It's now suggesting a buy now once again at this level, and that changes. That's a 24 hours a day, and that's the camera behind this me now, so you can see I'm live. This is a 24-hour service you might like to be part of. All right, it's on the extra channel. So extra Martyn Lucas Investor, extra radio show. So anyway, there you go. Bitcoin, it's a bit of a concern for me. I'm not in a Bitcoin, as you know, anyway. I sold it all. I bought it at 15,000, sold it all at 70. And many of you were laughing at the screen going, look at you, you idiot. It went to 100. Yeah. But I made my profit, and I used it to buy the dip when Iran invaded or started to attack Israel, and I bought the S&P, and now I'm up like 35-40% this year. So, and it's stocks I don't need to sell, not paying any taxes. It's a win-win, right? Absolutely brilliant. Anyway, there you go. Be careful with Bitcoin right now. It is a time to buy again. Not for me, but you might consider it. And if you get to that 99,000, take some off the table. Put your seed money away and start again. But make sure you do it in a tax-efficient way. And there really isn't a tax-efficient way of buying Bitcoin, but, you know, do what you can. Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here. I'll post more Bitcoin and crypto news. And that's it from me. And if you notice on my lapel, anyone notice? Secret message? It's the Illuminati. That's what that is. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.